and another Pomachina Simasiku Yamdina, at the Airport National Pamidin, Eddie Jonathan, and Sedubetimia from Sokoban Fatilo, Steve Zandaruma, and Obomachidum, and Samuel Supi, what Cap and Como, Ewo Ahanumis Lemon Pabia, Obre Fashion, making sure Sabe Milo all in one, Ezans when be baby womb, a creamy, tasty, delicious, a Mickey chocolate, and a calcium, and so etimi Ashmuma, MTN at 30 promo, no, Egu so the Demisrawa, the answer room, oh, place to another app store. No, I don't do my MTN app, no, not at all, date, or send this car, not a beautiful points, no, now I tell you, no one set to my account here, Sikapudo over 10 million Ghana cedis, and of a casino, 9 brand new, Toyota Land Cruiser Prados, no, also so one sa etimi account, the better better, Mr. Herman Betano, Ezans on Goro better, American bonus up to 2,000 Ghana cedis, near some boost 2 minutes, they come at the mouth, Obetia Vieta, and I say any sporting event where you finish and register, our betano.com.gh. betano.com.gh. An apartment into agribusiness, retail, mining, hospitality, and some manufacturer. You're the time swear. Never to Absa Bank, Reno, Absa Business Banking. Where you man are a network, you man as a bow, no, you man as a tumpong, Yaba working capital, no asset and trade finance in Amasia, no metal solutions, and a digital bank, you know, get the pews, and be beyond sweat to my fine. Add to me, add them out business. And games, add to me, Toga, run of 32 games, you know, now Brazil. HA2 Emma Japan etimu bako na nante plus crowd and abrante for the Gabriel Martinelli eto achane kama etimi edema Brazil.
Now Tanaka quickly on the scene to win it and then lose it. Guimaraes, Castro, what a ball, Martinelli!
Nhyira.
Brazil are heading through to the round of 16.
Now I'm here na Germany and Paraguay and so the 10 times so game the pie one room extra time every more penalties now penalties you know and Germany share 3 and my Paraguay share 4 now winning penalty and my Paraguay no yengo ti and also feed no kakra.
Surely this time for Paraguay he does score.
Nhyira.
Paraguay's most powerful World Cup results in their history.
Na zemenu kase Brazil konanim, Paraguay so konanim na anajudu mienu no Netherlands and Morocco. Na is Morocco the Africa for na no obi ene tetonom. Game no pie 1-1 room of penalties. Na penalties you know and Netherlands share 2 emo Morocco. Esa miensa na abrante for Sabari. Also we need penalty no they go to feed no kakra.
Ismail Sobari to win the game for Morocco and to send the Netherlands packing.
Nhyira.
Sobari up against Verbruggen. It's Sobari and history does repeat itself.
And no other years we games na they say no penalties in the more yesrema again and Colombia and the munim's penalties de nyade yesrema nante plus 1 and ma kill game no na bibian so etimi I find and games no any Ivory Coast and in Norway 5 p.m. as a live commentary ebetim na bremo now for France and Sweden and you man on 9 p.m. no mo so etimi at 10 times so nyame Saturday and I don't know 1:30 a.m. Ghana yeni Colombia na another my former Blasters coach ayo opinion for the CK akono na ebusan say game na say Tarios on your coach no gini dipa say strategy be room against Colombia no obi abon say coach no enso so pabene coach opinion you for the CK akono.
I think we have a coach who understands what to do at every given time. Manubiano, the wisdom in the game, what he has to do, he's seen the players, his own players, the opponents, how they play. And he is very sure, certain. Every tactical player of the Ababian is because he assesses the opponent very well. When we played England, we saw England play Croatia. They were fantastic, they were in control. Would you say the same when they met us? Yeah, of course, no. And so the coach knows exactly what to do. He will have a method, a strategy, an idea of how to play Colombia. You have an idea as to how to do, and I'm sure, very certain, meeting Colombia, the headache It's not a team. The headache is the preparation. How we prepare, how we make sure we destroy their style of play, their way of play, frustrating them, and because we are good at that, and that is what matters. Not too much of the name. Yes, they might have the players, they might have the names, but we don't even know Colombia like we know England. To meet England, I know because we are.
I know ACK Akona, former Blasters coach, and I will tell in Kano, and some of the Supinamum and Manager Niafa, and was here 9:30. I will be called your phone in a sequina near the Nhyira Power, so doing the Casipano, and so at Edabana Pamedi, Eddie Jonathan, and see do over to my friend Sokoban Fatilo. May Solution champion Quato, Eddie Cramus, and you were not to come at me, Eddie Amamon.